Welcome back to SEO Finder. My name is Ethan, and I am more than happy to be hosting you. Today, we're tackling a topic that plagues every marketer at some point: how to find someone's email on Facebook. Now, Facebook isn't exactly known for handing out email addresses like party favors. It's more like searching for a specific grain of sand in a massive beach. But fear not, there are ways to track down someone's email without being creepy. So method number 1, social media detective work. We can take the person's name, David Doble in this case, and search for him on other platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram. Maybe he has listed his email somewhere there. But let's be real, that's not always the case. Now, method number 2, Google Plus social media magic. Here's the trick. Type site:linkedin.com David Doble in Google search. This filter results to only LinkedIn profiles, saving you time hopping between platforms. Find his profile, and if he's listed his email, bingo. Now let's head over to method number 3, company website check. David might have mentioned his company website on Facebook. Let's visit it and see if they list his email there. Some companies actually do, but in this case, only the company's general email is available. Now, method number 4, free directories, but use it with caution. There are websites offering free email listings, but accuracy is a gamble. You might find David's email there, but there's no guarantee it's still active. Even if you do manage to unearth an email, there's no guarantee it's still their current one. And let's face it, manually sending emails one by one is as efficient as using a spoon to dig a tunnel. That's where these Facebook email finder tools comes in, like shining knights in a digital armor. These tools are basically email bloodhounds, sniffing out valid addresses from across the vast Facebook landscape. They're a game changer because they prioritize accuracy, verified email translate to less bouncing, and a better sender reputation for you, which is basically your online street cred. Plus, they're lightning fast, saving you hours of tedious searching. And for your sales teams or email marketing guru out there, these tools are like a bulk email superpower. Imagine processing hundreds of contacts in minutes, sending out targeted campaigns with laser precision. It's a whole new level of efficiency. Now, there are several players in the Facebook email finder game, each with their own strength. Some popular options include SEO Finder, Hunter.io, Snowview, and Walla Norbert. They offer various features, but SEO Finder truly sets itself apart with its comprehensive database, seamless integration, and user-friendly interface. Choosing the right tool depends on your specific needs. Prioritize accuracy, ease of use, the features that matters most to you, and of course, the pricing that fits your budget. But when it comes to a reliable, efficient, and feature-packed Facebook email finder, SEOiff is the clear choice. Nobody likes spammy emails, so always respect people's privacy and focus on building genuine connections over blasting out generic messages. It's all about building relationships, not just collecting addresses. So have you guys tried any of these Facebook email finders? What was your experience like? Let me know in the comments below, and if you have other questions about finding emails on Facebook, fire away. I'm here to help you navigate the ever-evolving world of digital marketing. Thanks for watching.